Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an update for the hashtag Partners in Cream 2021 that was set up by DaLin and myself. It was a slow makeup usage month, so I'll just get into it. So all the rules for the project are linked down in the description box. There's so many people doing it, which is still shocking to me. If you want to join, just add yourself to the list. The rules are very, very loose. So I have 5 products in at any given time, and I think this is my first update where I don't have an empty, which is really irritating, but sure. I think I have long-term products in here now. So let me just, since there's not really much, I'll just start with this one. This is my lip gloss. It's actually a lip oil. It's the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Oil. I'll have a close-up over here of it. So I went down, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. I'm using 2 lip glosses. So I finished a lip gloss this month, which means this is my focus gloss now. So I'm hoping if I start wearing makeup a bit more, I didn't really wear much makeup in July, that I'll finish this month instead of 2 months, because I'm not going to roll in a gloss yet to replace the other one. I'm hoping I don't. I don't know though. So this is, I have it on now. It's like just a pure lip oil and tastes like watermelon. But the only bad thing I can say is it leaks out through the packaging. There's 5 mils in it. It is nice. It's just kind of particularly sticky, and I'm hoping that this will be gone the next time, but I am enjoying using it. This thing, I don't know why I rolled this in, but this is new. I think I got this from DaLin, so it's my newest and technically my oldest eyeshadow primer. It's the Primer Potion from Urban Decay, and I know from using these before that they take like a year to use, and this is my first month using it, and I got it from DaLin. I'll have DaLin linked up here. It says, what did I use? I used 0.36 of a gram of this, and there's 10 mils in it, and I pretty much just started using it in this project. It's gonna take a year. I know it's gonna take a year. Primers are such good value for money, but using something every single time for a year is such a daunting thing. Don't know why it says 6 months on the back of it, because we know it takes a year to use, even if you're using it every single time. But anyway, that's the primer. I don't know why I rolled it in the last time, but we're here with it now, so we're stuck with that. What is next? This palette has been in so many projects now at this point, but I rolled in the cream shade from the Huda Beauty 3D highlighting palette, Pink Sands edition in Capri, and I will show you a before. How many times did I do that? And I'll show you where it is now. So it says that I've used it 24 times since the last update. I think looking at it, you can see that it's getting closer here on the side. It is thinner. I do wear it on its own, and I wear it with a powder over top. I like it on its own. I'm not rushing with this. I really like it. I think I've used it close to 200 times now, and I really like it. So I just want to use it up because it's my oldest cream. I don't have that many anyway. Cream highlighter. I don't have that many, but they do take, I'd say that this pan would probably take close to 300 uses to finish it. If I'm on nearly 200 now, I'd say so, because there's plenty in it still, even though it's not that thick. But I don't use much at any time. I'm not in a rush. Like, I like it. I think it would be nice for work on its own as well, because it is subtle. It's a subtle, let me just swatch it. Oh my god, I'm so pale right now, look at that. You can see such a distinct colour difference on my hand, but on my face there isn't much. I'm really not good at colour matching, am I? Okay, and then what's product number 4? Product number 4 is this lip liner from MAC. It's in the shade Whirl, and it is a warm brown. It's a drier formula. I prefer dry formula, drier sharpenable pencils, because I don't want them to move around my face. The MAC lip liners, I think they're like 19 euros, or they're 22 euros. I know they're not cruelty free, but they do last such a long time, because I panned this last year as well in the, what, no, was it last year? Yeah, I think I had it in 20 favorites in 2020, and obviously I didn't remotely finish it, and now I'm going again. So on the close-up you'll see this little card, and I did go down a good bit. Probably is it the same as the last time? Close enough to the same as the last time. And I wear this every single time I wear a lip product. I don't wear any other colour, because most products I wear are nude colour anyway. I'm not rushing with this. I know it's taken a long time, but I do like it, so why would I bother rushing? I just don't want it to go bad and just sit there either. And then the last product is this thing from Aldi. the Lacura what is this called? The Lacura Healthy Glow Overnight Relaxing Facial Mist with jasmine, lavender and chamomile. Love this. I used 18.61 grams of this. I can't find it. Since I moved down here, the Aldi's don't have as much in it at all. Sorry. So I can't find this down here. So if I'm in Dublin, I think Porrick and I are going to Dublin on Friday. So if we are near an Aldi, I might see if there's one there. I think they're like €2. But there's none down here, I checked. They don't have them. So that's a bit disappointing because I do like it. The spray is pretty hefty, but I love lavender. So I'll reuse this spray bottle, even for just putting water in it, you know, because it's just a little plastic bottle. But where am I down on it? You can't see through it, but I'd say I'm down to here. I use it all the time. Even if I'm not wearing even if I'm not wearing any makeup, I just spray it on my face to relax, because obviously what is even in this? But I really like it and I wish I could get it again, but I didn't see it in the little basket in the middle. I checked and I think it was like €2 or else it was $1.69. So I think that's everything. So for the next update, will I finish anything? I think the only thing I'll finish is the gloss. Obviously this eye primer is going to be in for a year if I leave it in. Like look, that is not even moving at all. It is new. It is new. I'm at the point with some of my categories where we're now down to the end. I'm starting again on foundation and concealer, and then Elaine stocked me up on mascara and now primers. So that is my update. Let me know how you're getting on. I'm going to check the playlist. I'll be adding the videos into the playlist. DaLin and I will be. And then usually what I do after I add them into the playlist is I play, if I have time, I play it through the TV, or else I'll just watch it on my phone. So that is my hopefully short update, and I'll see you the next time. Take care. Bye.